Hey guys, so I know I have already reviewed the microfiber sponge from eBay, this one over here. I was browsing for a better makeup sponge cleaner, and while I was browsing at Walmart, I found this. And this is the Equate Beauty Flocked Blender Sponge, perfect for powder, creams, and liquid makeup. I wanted to compare the two to see if it's worth your time to buy the one at Walmart or wait for the one on eBay. So the one at Walmart retails for roughly $4. I think it was like $3.95 or something. So right away it felt really hard. This one, when I first got it, it felt very squishy like it does now. I'm going to wet it and see how big it gets. So I've purchased Walmart blenders before, and I don't really have that high hopes for this one. When I was getting it wet, which it did get bigger, but it forms a really weird shape, and when I was wringing it out, suds were coming out of the bottom of this, and then it started having a weird smell to it. It's on my hand. It's like I don't know, a disinfectant. Not a disinfectant. It has a weird cleaner smell to it, which is weird. I don't know if you can see this, but it's already cracking, which I haven't even used this. I'm just going to start applying my foundation with this and we'll see what happens. Looking at my face, it does look blended out, but although this is wet, it feels very dry, and it feels like I'm just pounding my face out with a rock. And as you can see, it's absorbing my foundation, something that this one does not do. This one actually wastes less foundation, and I feel like this just sucks it up. And even though it's giving me a fairly matte and even skin, a lot of pounding on my face. But now I'm going to try it out with concealer. Wish me luck. So this was a little bit harder to wash off than my eBay one. It just took some time to get the product actually out, and it's not even completely out. It's a pretty gentle soap, and as you can see, there's a lot of wear to this, as if I've used this many times. The fuzz has completely worn off wherever I washed it. Also, the smell on this has not gone away, and when I was putting it on my face, I could still smell it. I do not recommend this sponge. If you're trying to save money, just go for the eBay one. I know it's a long wait, but it is worth it. Or if you don't care about price, then perhaps looking into the Juno sponge. But for me, definitely a disappointment. So those are my thoughts on this sponge. Hopefully this helps you, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye guys.